In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Lovable. Whether you're new to Lovable or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step so you can seamlessly integrate images into your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Lovable's official website. It's always a good idea to bookmark the site if you plan on visiting frequently. Once the website is loaded, you'll notice the main page which invites you to explore various features. But today, we're focusing on signing in. At the top right corner of the page, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the login process. Lovable makes it easy by offering different ways to access your account. For today, we'll be using Google to simplify the process. You should see an option that says Continue with Google. Click on that option and you'll be directed to a Google authentication page. Here you'll see a list of accounts associated with your Google account. Choose the appropriate account you wish to use with Lovable by clicking on it. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to give permission to Lovable to access your Google account details. Simply click Continue. Remember, this step is essential for integrating your Google account with Lovable, ensuring a seamless sign-in experience every time. Once logged in, navigate to the desired project or area where you want to add an image. You should see an option labeled Attach on the screen. By clicking on this, you indicate to the platform that you wish to include additional files or assets in your project. This is crucial for incorporating external elements like images into your work. Next, look for the Add Files button. Clicking on this will open a dialog box for you to choose files from your computer. Browse through your folders to find the image you wish to upload. Single-click on the image file and press Open. This action uploads your chosen image to Lovable, ready for integration. With your image now uploaded, the platform allows you to utilize it alongside prompts or descriptions you might want to include. Consider this an excellent opportunity to pair your visuals with explanatory text, ensuring your audience receives a complete picture of your ideas or project. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now able to add images into Lovable, enhancing your projects with high-quality visuals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different images to perfect your technique. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick and informative guides like this one.